Hello dear learners, how are you? Today's theme is about articles. There are two types of articles, definite article and indefinite article. Indefinite article A, before a singular noun beginning with a consonant sounds. B, C, P, N, M, etc. And before a singular noun beginning with a vowel sound. A, E, I, O, Y, U. For example, a mango, a clock, a toy, a banana, a boy, a cat, an apple, an umbrella, an orange, an egg. How is it used in a sentence? I'm a student. I'm one of many students. If I were a special student among students, then it would be said differently. And this is an apple. There is no mention of exactly what kind of apple it is. Okay, there are several types of definite article the that are used. The first article the, when a word is about a noun object. Where is the bag? It's noun that we call the bag in this place bag. It's clear that it's my or your bag. The second, if nouns are in the superlative degree, the strongest, the most, and if ordinal numbers. What is the longest river in Kazakhstan? The third, before geographical names, names of mountains, seas, lakes, rivers, etc. The Caspian Sea, the North, the Altai Mountains, the Indian Ocean. The fourth, in front of nouns that have only one of their group. The moon, the sun, the sky, the earth. For example, the Nile is the longest river in the world. Only the Nile River is the longest river in the world. There is no longer river. The fifth, in some phrases, in the morning, in the afternoon, etc. Okay, now let's try these tasks. Elephant and table. What article we can use? That's right. She's actress. What article? That's right. I can play piano. What article you can use? That's right. I can play the piano. This is Atlantic Ocean. That's right, this is the Atlantic Ocean. This is good place. What article? That's right, this is a good place. Okay, thank you for your attention. Goodbye.